This video is a tutorial on Autodesk Navisworks Manage 2026. This software is one of the most powerful tools used in BIM coordination, construction sequencing, and project simulation. In this session, we will explore how Navisworks helps engineers, planners, and project managers visualize construction progress over time and understand cost implications throughout the project lifecycle. Navisworks Manage 2026 is a project review and simulation platform used to combine models from multiple disciplines. And then it supports clash detection and the most importantly 4D and 5D simulation. So in 4D simulation, one of the core strengths of Navisworks is its timeliner tool, which links the 3D model elements to a construction schedule imported from Primavera, Microsoft Project, Excel, or we define it during the model visualization development. So this allows us to visualize the construction sequence day by day, detect scheduling conflict early, communicate construction plans, and compare it with the actual progress. And then in 5D simulation on cost visualization, Navisworks also support 5D simulation where cost data, material, labors, equipment, subcontractor costs are attached to each task. So then this enables cash flow forecasting, cost loaded schedules, visualizing cost accumulation, and identifying cost peaks and resources bottlenecks, then supporting value engineering and decision making. So in this tutorial, we will cover importing the 3D models from Autodesk Revit, setting up the timeliner, linking tasks to model elements, running 4D construction simulation, adding cost data for 5D simulation. And then at the end, we will exporting animation for presentation and reporting. Okay, this is the after we run the Autodesk Navisworks. This is the first user interface that we will find. So the recent file will be listed here, and then on the left side here we have the open button, and then you also can create a new Navisworks file here or open from here, this icon. So we open the existing file of Autodesk Revit. So this is from the folder. Then for the purpose of this tutorial, we will focus only on the structural model of BIM that we have developed in Autodesk Revit. And then we open it, and then it will upload and populate all the elements, and then we wait for a while because the file that we open is Autodesk Revit file .rvt. So normally we open the IFC file that we can do as well in Autodesk Revit. Convert it first to Autodesk to the IFC file. So then we can see here the model. And then I forgot to explain, actually we need to set up the option here, set up the file readers here to ensure that all file that all element of the Revit file will be convert. So then we need to make sure the entire project, select the entire project here. So it is one times lah. Next time when you open the Revit file, it will convert everything of the entire project elements. So if it is only Navisworks view, it will only carry the partial element in the file. So then you need to refresh it. So then make sure it is entire project. Then okay. Then you can do refresh it here, and then if previously it is not entire project, so then it will repopulate it from the Autodesk Revit file. Okay, here basically we have the set and then selection tree. By default it is it's not here, so then even the selection tree is not here. So then this is the empty windows. You can open it here from the ribbon here, press this selection tree, so then you can see all the element, foundation level, ground beam level, all the element as well will be imported from the Autodesk Revit. Okay, then we add the what we call it timeliner here. So timeliner, you can also move it, put it here, or you can put it down here, so then you can still adjust, arrange the what you call it, the place, and then the set, manage sets here. You can add the set letter, and then view here. You can see the Windows view that we want to have. Normally we have the selection tree and then the set, like that, set, because later all the set, I mean this is the whole I mean all the element of the model that we have. And then for the process of the visualization, we will create the set here. Okay, so before we go for the timeliner tool, so better we switch off the timeliner, go to home, and then switch off the timeliner, so then we focus to this one first. So okay, so then also you can do hide and remove, I mean hide the unnecessarily what you call it, element here. So something like this, we don't want to see the element, I mean the grid here. So we can switch off. You can see here we have the foundation key plan DWG, so we can right click and hide it, so it removes that one. So every level it has, in this model it has the what call it, key plan DWG, so then we hide it. So here we hide. You can do cleaning as well before you import or you open in Autodesk Navisworks Manage in Autodesk Revit. And then we hide also this one, and then let me have it. Hide it. So then we still have, this is the what you call it, just so then to navigate, so you can press the shift button, and then you press the what you call it, the roller, I mean the mouse third button, and you can rotate it. Okay, and also you can use this. Okay, the same as in Autodesk Revit. So the background can also change by press the make sure your cursor in the display area here or working area, then right click, you have the background here, background, and you can change graduated, plain, one single color, or you want to set it into different color, you can select, let's say instead of that one you want to use this one, then okay, so then everything white color. So sometimes for the purpose of what you call it, presentation, to make it what you call it, highlighted. So people use the plain color in black. Up to you. You can adjust. Okay, then next what we need to do, we start to set up the timeline, I mean the set or timeliner later on. So here you can see currently a view that we have here is perspective. We can change it to orthographic, so then you can see in this view, easy for you to select. Let me see, we go to each level here, structural column on the foundation level. Let me see what is this. So this is this one. So for sure, the first step is supposed to be the pile. Then after that, the pile cap, the column stump or column pedestal. After that, the ground beam, and then continue with the level 1, level 2, level 3, and okay, like that. Then also this one, there is a shear wall here. So then let me break it down into 2 elements, which is because this one is the structural model, so then we have below ground level structure, and then upper structure, or maybe we call it substructure and upper structure. Let me create under the set panel here, first new folder, we make it substructure. Okay, and enter. Make sure you press enter, and then we start with the structural foundation here, and then structural foundation we have 2 element here. Let me expand it, so then we have the pile here. So then we have the pile here. We can right click and select, or I mean you can save selection. Press this button, or you can press this button, save current selection. So this one selected. So you can do also manually select box here. So you select this one. You need to select do selection. I mean go like this. So then it's not. I mean what I'm trying to say here. You can select manually, or you can select by from the list here. Okay. So then better, because the selection is not, you cannot select the you can do like that lah, but it's too difficult to find where the column or the pile is starting, and better we select from here. But it is the way, if you want to make it a stage, I mean different stage. Let's say this is the first stage, and after that followed by this one. And then after that you do the pile cap, this area, then this one. But let me do simple way. We select the pile cap here, rectangle pile, the square pile first, and then after that whether we press this one or press this button, click this one, and then it will ask you to type the name. Let's say this one is pile. Okay, piles, and then we need to press enter. Piles, enter. And after that, bring it under the substructure. So expand it. So piles. So we start from the bottom to the ground beam, and include the wall here. Okay, foundation level, and then after that we select the pile cap. So it's also another pile cap. You can see here, if we rotate this one, there are 2 or 3 different pile cap. So you can select by doing this selection like that. Because you can see here on the selection tree, these 3 elements are selected, and after that you press the save selection and put it in caps, file caps, enter, and after that you bring it under this one like that. So then next is the column. So we selected all the column. Let me check whether it is select all the column. The area, I mean the ground floor. Okay, yes, selected. And we press the save selection, and then this one is a stump, or maybe we call it a pedestal column pedestal. Or pedestal columns. Anyway, then press enter. Then bring it here. Then after that, the ground beam. I think the ground beam's level under different floor level. So then we select the ground beam first. Structural framing, rectangular beam. This one. All selected. Then we save selection. Ground beams. Then bring it up here. Then after that, the wall here, this wall, but not I mean the wall here, So this is the, I mean, we can manage the squares. So this is the first item that, or the first element that we want to construct on site, and after this followed by this pile cap, and after that the column pedestal, then after that the ground beam. If you want to set the wall first before the ground beam, so you can do it. So walls here, this is the walls that underground. So select wall, ground wall, enter, and then bring it here. Okay, so then you have these 3 all these components you can see under here. This is under the substructure. Okay, then we create another one, which is the superstructure. So then we bring it out here. Wait a minute. Name it superstructure. Enter. Wait a minute. Maybe we need to edit this one. Bring it up. Superstructure. Okay, anyway, we want to, so here we create, this is not correct. Let me delete this one, and then that's correct. Superstructure. Or you can create level by level. It's okay, and enter. And after that, we go for level 1. Here level 1 we have this. So then after the column, let me see here, this column. So then this one ground beam, column level 1, floor structural column, it's on the top, that one. Structural framing, structural column, okay, this is under the ground beam level, structural column. So superstructure, we start from here, select this one, then check, make sure everything is selected. Yes, we selected, and then save selection. And then this one, we name it column ground floor, enter, and then bring it under the superstructure here. Then expand it. Then after that we add another wall here. Yes, wall here under this one. So then save selection, wall ground floor, enter, and then bring it here. Then next the column, and then the let me have this one only for the superstructure for this ground floor, and then we add level 1. We have, for sure we need to create the beam first, framing, that's one. And after that the floor, the framing here, we select, and then this one's the beam, first floor, enter, and then after that right click, sorry, not right click, select, and then save selection, floor, first floor, then you can continue until to the top, beam here, and then continue with the column, something like that. You need to follow the sequence. Okay, so then I stop here, and then we directly jump to the timeliner, because the process will be the same. Timeliner here. Okay, so then we have task, and then here we have substructure and superstructure. There are two ways to do it. Add task manually, one by one, but you need to make sure the task that you write, the type here, the task you type, the name of the task must be the same as the breakdown here. The capital letters, the small letters need to be same, and if it is not the same, it will not able to capture for the attachment. So you can see here it is attached, so then you can do attach manually. So you can add task manually here. So you can also do like this, insert task on the top of the insert a new task above the selected task, or you can auto add task. So then we use this, we select this one for every set. So for every set, so then we have the set here, substructure and superstructure. So then we what call it, we auto add task for every set, enter. So then the good thing, everything will be captured, also the plan start and plan end. So then you need to modify this. You can see here it's only about 5 days total, so it is too fast. So then you can adjust this one. But anyway, for the purpose of this one, of the tutorial, so then we accept this one. So you can see here, it start from 28 April today, and then end May 2026. It's only 1 week, or 10 weeks, 10 days. So you can see here we have the actual start and actual end. We have the task type. Task type here if you do it manually, you have to select whether it is demolished or temporary. So then for the purpose of visualization, and then by default it is construct. By default it is empty, and then when you do the auto add task, it will add task type as construct, and then you can still adjust and modify the column. Press this one, column, and then choose column. We don't want this one, actual start, actual end. If you want to compare, you use this tool to compare the planning one and then the actual one. So then you add this one, task type, attach, total cost. So then it's only total cost. So we want to add material cost, labor cost, equipment cost. As I mentioned previously in the class, that the cost consists of 4M: material, man-hour, machinery, and margin, something like that. So then you can insert in the material cost lah for the margin. So then we have the subcontractor cost as well here. You can add. Then and then also you can do because the total cost supposed to be at the bottom. You can move it down. Done like that. Then okay. So you can see here. This is April 20, so it will start here, AM to PM. So you can also set this one early, on time, late, so you can adjust. So then you can also export to CSV, export to MS Project XML, or you can also insert add from the database. You can see Microsoft Project MPS or CSV import. Like that. So material cost, and then the cost here. Let's say we make the material cost is the 1 million. And press enter. So let me make it same. So how to make it the same? We select to the end here, and after that right click and then fill down. So it will be sorry, you have to select this one as well. Sorry, you have to select this one. We select using the mouse, and then after that right click and then fill down. So it will copy here. You can see here for the substructure is total up the 5 item here. So the superstructure we have total up this one. Okay, then labor cost. Labor cost I set it to half of the material cost, so it's 5,000. 500,000. Then also select this one, then shift button and click at the bottom, and then right click, fill down. And then for the equipment, we make it, let's say 50,000 or 50,000. 2, 3. Enter, and then we select this one and right click, fill down. Okay, then so then we have this one, and then also we already have the timeline here when it start. So then it's like there is a weekend, Saturday and Sunday, nobody working on site. So then also you can set up whether you want to set that working times only during the morning time, then no. So then you can see here working start from certain times here. Time here, duration 8 hours working, morning to evening. So you can set the time. Status, can change the status here, any status. This enable, you can I think you can set up the detail for the cost. So hard, this one so actual date. So then we can switch on and switch off only, and then configure only for this one. Data sources, we don't have that one. Then so can zoom in, zoom out. I mean to fit this one, the timeline. Then after that, it's considered finished, complete until the first floor. And then next is the simulate. Simulate. You can see when it start to 28 April, and then there's a setting here. We can have it for the purpose of. Anyway, we run this first. You can see here on top here there is a starting 9 AM on 28 April 2026, day 1 in week 1. So let me run this. You can see the transparent color of the pile shown in the first day, in the first week. When we simulate it, let me run this. You can see finish, and after that continue with the pile cap, continue with the column, so continue with the wall, then to the floor of the on the ground, first floor, like that. So it finish. So here you can see the days and the week, and also you can add some more information on the what you call it, cost and total cost incurred. So then what you need to do, press this button, setting, then interval size, you can maintain playback duration every 20 seconds. You can make it shorter. And then overlay text. This is the overlay text on the top position, whether on the top or bottom, and then view the plan one, and then you can overlay text, you can edit. Currently we have this only, so then you can add by press the control enter, and then let's say material cost RM, add the cost, material cost here, enter. Allah Akbar, sorry, not shift enter but control enter, edit, control enter, labor cost RM, and then cost, labor cost, control enter, equipment or machinery. Or if you want to make it material, man hour, equipment or machinery, can also change RM, space, the cost, and then equipment, and then control enter for the total RM, space, and total cost, or maybe total cost, yeah. Also you can change the color. So then place the cursor on the front of the line. The color, we make it red, and then here we start with the color of white. Okay, color of white here, and then we press OK, and then here we press OK. You can see there the white color. We have the material cost on the day 1, the 9 AM, it is on 0 ringgit, labor cost 0 ringgit, equipment cost 0 ringgit. And then when we start, so then it will increase the cost incurred at that particular hours and days. So then you can continue until the structural element finish. Then you can select the set maybe it is not necessarily what call it the whole panel. So then maybe some panel we start in different stages or staged schedule. Then next, what we can do here, so then we can export animation. But before that we export it, we go to viewpoint, and then we add the viewpoint here. Let me press this button whether it is the table. Okay, no problem. Currently like this, and then save point here. Maybe we need to view the viewpoint, I mean the windows here, the viewpoint, plan view, animator selection, animator section, property. Do we have the find command, measure, save, tail, plan? No, section. Okay, we don't have. So then we go to viewpoint and then press the save viewpoint. So then the viewpoint, where is the viewpoint? So then if you want to make it perspective, currently it's perspective or orthogonal, you can select here, viewpoint, save viewpoint. Yeah, here. Then I want to see where is my viewpoint. Save viewpoint, align camera, so tilt bar, steering wheel. Maybe it's not steering wheel here. No. Orbit. This one. The viewpoint, that the blue, I mean the green balloon there. I want to see the orbit. No. Okay, anyway, it's supposed to be I can place the no. So we have a viewpoint here, and let me move to the other place. Another viewpoint, save viewpoint here, and then another one. Supposed to be we start from the beginning. Anyway, let me we've moved. This is the first viewpoint, second, third here, and then let me move it here, and then save the viewpoint. Or if you want to make it set to the until the end, I want to see the here for the final view. I want to see from this angle, and then save point view. Okay, then after that, what we need to do, we need to add animation. Where is my animation? Animator. Please click this one, animator. Where is the animator? No scene. Wait a minute. Folder, add copy, add comment, save point. Where is the animator light? I can change the full light or headlight mode, full render or shaded, enable sectioning. Then where is the animator? Let me start to have it. It's supposed to be there is an animator that all the view here is under the animator. Animation. Not okay. There, the animation one. So it's supposed to be there. Everything under the animation one. That one. Okay. Then let me see here we don't start. We need to set up edit. So maybe here export animation, explicit current animation. It's supposed to be in the timeline simulation viewport, format JPEG, can Windows, and then EPF, full frame, uncompressed. If you want to make it compressed as a video, because it will be huge. And then type, use aspect ratio. Anyway, maybe we use explicit and OK. Then anyway, use this name. So then let we have it, fundamental beam structure VI. What will happen here? So it's not correct. So it is not correct. So anyway, the process like that. We can explore later. So the task configure, and then we have here. Okay, but still not working for the animation. It's supposed to be. Let me see the play animation here. It's not working here. Yeah, it's working, but it is not captured the what you call it. We need to do something on this scene, because you can see here it's not linked between the simulation and then the view. Maybe we need to bring it up here. Anyway, you can explore by yourself later. So this is the process of 4D and 5D. The 4D is on the scheduling. So then you can create it in the what you call it, Autodesk Navisworks, or you can import from other sources such as the CSV import or Microsoft Project or Primavera. Have here. Okay, so then you can also what you call it, export it as CSV or MS Project. Or what is the button here? It's nothing happened. Then here to zoom in, zoom out, and then you can see if you want to see the things here, and then you can still do adjustment. You can explore later. Okay, then after we have this one, we can simulate it. So from day 1 to the end of the setup that we have here, so we can run the simulation as 5D and include the cost. But it is not a detailed cost. The detailed cost you can do it in the Autodesk Revit simple way. And then here we have setting for playback duration, and then overlay text here. So on the top it will be listed the day and the week, the material cost, the labor cost. Okay, and then output here, you can have the output in form of animation, timeline, CSV, and other element. That we try to have this viewpoint report is not a good one. I think later you can explore. Okay, and then print preview. Let me see what's in the preview is exactly the it is not so good. Maybe we go to home and then close the timeliner. So then review animation. view output, render. I can render the model. Okay, that's all for this video. So it start with the importing or open the RVT file, but you need to make sure in the option and then under file readers, you need to make sure for the Revit you select convert entire project and then press OK. Yeah, or else it will not appear the element of the project that you already created in the Autodesk Revit. So the item here you can save here. I mean, you can select as a set. So then it is full. So if the project quite big, so then you can make it as stages. Then I think that's all. The process will be the same, and this timeliner is the very powerful tools to set up the task and also the cost. Okay, so here in our tutorial here is just a simple one. Okay, thanks for your attention. See you next time.